Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about basic computer safety. I was in a meeting with some of my peers that I meet with once a month, group of about 10 or 12 businesses, all different industries. And the topic of the materials we were covering that month were definitely around your IT and securing it, taking care of it, being thoughtful about it. And there were some really great questions, and we had some really great discussion, and I was absolutely blown away at the number of companies at the table that did not have these basics in place and how important they are. So I feel like I say it all the time, but I think it's time to say it again. So we wanted to just list these for you. If any of them you're not familiar with or don't know what they are, get with your IT company, give us a call. We're happy to do it. These are the basic computer safety 101 things. First and foremost, multi-factor authentication, MFA. We've got several articles short on them in our website, so you can check those out. If you have it, awesome. Is it enforced? If it's not, make that change and make sure it's enforced MFA. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's a second authentication and you need to have it in place. It's a basic security blanket. All right, enough on that one. Next one, cyber security insurance. Be sure you have a policy. Things happen. Even your really good people can be tricked. Things can happen. You need to have cyber security insurance. And do not make up the answers on the application. If you're not sure of the questions, if you're not sure what you have or what things are that they're asking, get your IT company to give you some input. If anything on that application is incorrect and you have a claim, you could be denied because the information was misleading or flat out wrong. All right, number 3, social engineering. You have wonderful people who work for you, but I cannot get past as a salesperson, but somehow that same level of making sure salespeople don't get through is not being set up correctly within your team about their email, other phone calls, other solicitations, trying to trick them, text, again, email, trying to get them to give personal information or click a link. Really important that people understand what these rules are. We have several articles on it, and any one of these videos that we send on a Monday morning about the latest scam, share them with your team. Often they just need reminders to be vigilant about the social engineering scams that are out there. Computers, basic computer safety. A quality antivirus. Nowadays we really use the EDR, endpoint detection and response solutions. Make sure you have automated patch management, security updates are going out. Make sure you have current supported operating systems on those machines. Backups. Backing up all your data, and I don't mean just a copy. If you copy corrupted data, you've got a copy of corrupted data. You need a quality backup solution, off-site, and even if your email's with Microsoft 365, you need a cloud-to-cloud third-party backup in order to have the files that you're going to need for a legal situation, or if data was corrupted, or if, God forbid, somebody stole them, encrypted them, or was malicious in deleting them. Last one, consider security. There are some wonderful security things out there. They are non-intrusive to your people, and they are really, really important. Consider things like DNS filtering, mobile device management, dark web monitoring of your domain, and managed detection and response, often referred to as MDR. These are the basics, and if you don't know what some of these terms are I just gave you, one, you can click the link below or read the article. Happy to have that conversation. Bring this to your IT team, bring it to us, and we'd be more than happy to go through these things. This is what you need to keep your data safe so you can run your business. Thanks for your time and have a great rest of your day.